Meet Ahmad, a 27-year-old car owner. His car broke down, so he takes it to the service center, but they can't fix it because they don't have the needed spare part. And in the MENA region, the distributors are very fragmented and keep very low stock. And the most spare parts are not produced domestically, so they will have to order from abroad, which will take from 1 month up to 3 months to arrive. So Ahmed has no choice but to wait without using his car. We are Sparemart, an end-to-end automotive marketplace managing the entire process from vendor selection to order delivery, streamlining the ordering process by offering flexible financing and also different delivery solutions through our logistic partners to deliver within 5 days to the customer or service center doorstep, and also to make sure that the supplier's inventory are accessible. Let me show you how it works. We partner with different suppliers from Egypt and globally, offering a car brand agnostic platform by applying partnerships with these suppliers and also digitizing their paper list through our online marketplace. So Ahmed can easily search for the needed spare parts, or if he needs any help, he can reach out to our customer life support. And when he check out, he can find different delivery options to deliver domestic or international within 5 days, and also offering flexible financing to him so he can use BNPLs, credit cards, and cash on delivery solutions. We take on average 17.5% per order, and we are currently working in Egypt, and we are going to operate soon in KSA, which is $32 billion market, have 21 million cars, and customers spend annually $1,500. We are now operating in Egypt, which is $3 billion market. Why we are different? We are offering wide variety of SKUs by partnership with different suppliers that cover most car brands, and also offering different financing solutions to make it more flexible for all our customers to use the PMPLs, credit cards, and also the cash on delivery solutions. I am Mustafa Murgan, founder and CEO of Sparemart. I worked at Tagger, El Menus, and Delivery Hero Talabat. I saved $1.5 million per year in manpower optimization. Hassan Basyouni is my co-founder and chief business officer. He worked at Value, Fawri, Itsalat. He was one of the guys supported in the setup of prepaid cards at Value. We have more than 55 partnerships with different suppliers to cover most car brands. We successfully generated $50K in GMV in 6 months. We have 400K B2C pre-orders, and also $3 million in B2B pre-orders.